Hi, I'm April Golightly, and today I'm super excited to share with you this new bag from Tory Burch. It's this really cool hand crocheted tote bag. Let's check it out. Here she is. So I have it in this beautiful pink color, and it comes in a few different colors. But let's talk about the exterior first. We're going to talk about interior, what fits inside, and how to wear it. Let's get started. So this is the small Ella hand crocheted tote, and it comes in natural samba, and what I have is rosette, which is like a very beautiful pink color, black, and also white. So, and it's actually crocheted, hand crocheted out of raffia. So it's really cool, and it's kind of reinforced with, I think it's like a vegan leather material here, so that it's a little bit stronger than just a hand crocheted raffia on its own is not that strong, but with all this like reinforcement, it's really strong. So it's really cool. It's kind of a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can kind of see that you can see the stuff inside of it. So obviously if you want to avoid that, you can get one of those like organizer things. I'll link it down below. There's a small Ella organizer that you can use inside of here. For me, I like the fact that it's kind of open and I can just throw whatever I need into it. It's easy for me. So let's talk about the exterior. So we have all these beautiful crochets, and then the bottom is crocheted too, but it is on the interior there's that vegan leather. And then the back is hand crocheted too, in these like little panels. And then this beautiful raffia double T Tory Burch logo. Really love it. Okay, let's talk about the interior next. So like I said, on the interior, there's actually this like vegan leather in here, and it kind of gives structure to the whole thing. So there are no pockets. There's just the bottom has that vegan leather there, and then all around the edges, there's the vegan leather to keep it kind of standing up straight and all that. Also, right here is a little D-ring so that you can add on your keys or whatever you want to add on here. So that, you know, in the tote bag, if there's something that you want to like make sure you don't lose or easy access to it, that's the way to do it. For example, I have like this little keychain that has my key in it, and it has like a little hook on it, and I can hook it on there. Also, I have another one. I have that Louis Vuitton one, and then this like also one from Stony Clover that comes in a ton of different colors, and that you can hook onto this here as well. Let me see. So yeah, there you go. So that way, this is my wallet or my key fob, you know, so that I don't lose that. Like the most important things that you not just like possibly lose, but also just like lose in your purse, because I know sometimes that happens to me. So yeah, I think it's really cool. Let me talk about the details. Okay, the height is 10.4, the length is 13.4, and the depth is 4.7. And it says that it fits a 13-inch laptop. So if you have like a MacBook that's a 13-inch, that would definitely fit in there. I think a lot of it fits in there, which is so great. Also, let's talk about what fits inside for me, what I've been putting inside of there. So I have a ton of different things. I have like a little mini pouch that totally fits in there. I have put my makeup in here, sunglasses, my phone, wet wipes, a planner. You could put a huge planner in here. If you have like a giant planner, you definitely would be able to fit that. I have my medication, I have business cards, my headphones. I also, the big headphones I've used put in here, the Apple ones. Let me think what else. Also, a water bottle. This is the new, I think this is, how many ounces? 12 ounces. But look, as you can see, this is the 12-ounce one. Definitely fits in there, but also you could fit any one of the other bigger ones in here because it's huge. What else do I have? I have like a little light that I keep with from my phone in here. Everything that I am putting in, I will link down below so you can check it out. Also a little mini fan. Um, what else? I've got, my desk is a mess right now with all kinds of stuff. So yeah, basically, so that's kind of it with barely full. That's like half full right there. You know, you can fit way more than that. So like a sweater, a sweatshirt, also like a, what are these called? These things. I have a folder so that if you have some documents you want to put in there, you can fit vertically. And also if you can use it kind of as a divider in between. So that way, you can kind of keep it organized, but also if it can fit this way, it's just really, really tough to get in and out. So yeah, I would recommend definitely, and it's pretty much the same size as the other Ella small Bio Ella, the Bio Ella one. Let me see. I'm gonna look at the details. I'm pretty sure it's the same size. So it's a little, the depth is a little bit bigger on the crochet one than it is on the small Ella Bio Tote, which I have. I've done a review of it. You can check it out up here. That one is one of my favorite bags. I really love it. And that one's just a little bit not as, like this one is just a little bit about like 0.3, 0.4. It's a little bit big. This one's a little bit bigger than that one. So this one's a little bit bigger, which is nice. I think if you want to and you have some small towels and things that you want to bring to the beach or something like that, this would be a great bag. So I think it's an everyday bag if you carry a lot of stuff, and it also would be, it would work as a beach bag too. Maybe not like a family beach bag, but a beach bag for an individual or someone with like tiny little towels that they can roll up. So it's super cute, this bag. It goes really well with like tons of different colors. I really like it with even green, other different types of pinks. Also, it works really well with Lily Pulitzer because it kind of works, matches a little bit in the pinks in the Lily Pulitzer. So I think it would work really well with that. Also, just in general, it would go great for a summertime bag, summer into spring. Personally, I just wear pink all the time, so I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like my videos. I love doing them, and have a great day. Take care.